Our next speaker will be Bruce Hain, followed by John Ryan.
Hi, good morning. I was wanting to talk to you about, to congratulate you on rebuilding one of those double slip switches at Jamaica. That's really wonderful. I think you should follow suit in that vein. Rebuild the whole thing because it's all the tracks are worn flat. It's 10 years past its useful life, and they want to use these conditions to demand from you money for a configuration that's going to be inferior. So I think that's right. And excuse me, I think that also one indication of that is the propaganda kinks on the flyover. You know, those have been there 7 years that I know of. And they've always gone over at less than 10 miles an hour. But one time, some guy didn't know about it, and they hit it at like 30, and everyone in that car was frightened out of their minds. And it makes them slow down. So it looks as though there's a problem with the track configuration at Jamaica because it's substandard. No, it's the best. It's the, well, except the part on the east, you know, I could talk about that. That bridge, it's like if you have a kitchen with little linoleum tiles that are all cruddy and stuff, you put a shag carpet over that and say it's fixed because, you know, those things are 90 years old. They're over 90 years old. The tunnel under it, they're under special track work going east, and they're under, you had that, the demented college professor who had the Super E train, and they've already undermined it. They dug a tunnel under there. Well, if you're putting foundations for the bridge, that'll undermine it too. So, thank you.
Thank you.